Hi, I'm George, the Weather Dad, and it's going to be a very interesting next several days. First, for those of you in the Midwest, for Iowa, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, there will be snow in the air for your Friday, and then that snow will head off into the mid-Atlantic states for Saturday and a little bit on to Sunday. And then we're going to head south. It looks like it's going to be a very stormy weekend for those of you in the Gulf Coast states, in particular the Sunshine State of Florida. In fact, you could be looking at some flooding conditions on Saturday and Sunday and potentially some severe weather. Let's first take a look at the map for Friday morning, and those of you in the Midwest, and look at that blue there in Iowa, Missouri, and Illinois. That's Friday morning. And then as we head on in the midday on Friday, that snow moves rapidly off towards the east into Indiana, Ohio, and in Kentucky. By Friday night, that heavier snow band works its way into southern Indiana, southern Ohio, northern Kentucky. There will be snow accumulations, probably at 1 to 2 inches on the grassy surfaces mainly. Temperatures are going to be a little bit above the freezing mark. Yes, we could have snow with temperatures above 32 degrees, and the ground is still fairly warm, so I don't anticipate widespread driving problems, but some bridges and overpasses could get a little slick at times, depends on how fast and how hard the snow does fall. But there will be some accumulation there on your Friday, and that will quickly move off towards the east on Saturday, and some colder air will filter in behind it. So what could be some slushy conditions during the day on Friday could produce some icy conditions late Friday night on into Saturday morning, something you might want to be aware of. Let's head south. Take a look at all that green in the Gulf of Mexico. This is Saturday morning, and then by Sunday morning, that heavy rain moves on into the state of Florida. There could be some flooding there for you, as well as some severe weather, something you might want to keep an eye on as we head on into the next several days. So there you have it. A little bit of a snow shovel activity there for you in the Midwest, and it looks like the umbrellas will be out in the Sunshine State. I'm George, the Weather Dad.